Cherry Creek Schools is recognized as one of the top public school districts in the country for many reasons, but most importantly for its high-quality teachers. Ranked #1 in Colorado for teacher satisfaction, Cherry Creek Schools is known for empowering and supporting its teachers to ensure the best possible outcome for students. As an aspiring educator, you will be in a classroom alongside an experienced mentor teacher, planning lessons and teaching students daily. From day one, you will be a salaried, benefit-eligible employee while gaining invaluable classroom experience. Aspiring educators will have the opportunity to earn a bachelor's in education with little to no student debt. Upon successful completion of the program, participants will be ready to apply for a teaching license and eligible to apply for teaching positions. The Aspiring Educator Pathway provides future educators with over 4,500 hours of hands-on classroom experience. This helps to prevent teacher burnout and develop better prepared new teachers, leading to improved student learning outcomes. Join us as we reimagine the teaching and learning environment and elevate the teaching profession.